In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change the account location on Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox and navigate to the More page. Now, head over to the Option Settings. Click on the option Account Info. Here you're going to find all of your personal details. Scrolling down, you're going to find the option of Location. You're going to find the location that you have set while creating your account. If you try to change it, you won't be able to do that. So what you'll need to do is close this and launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to this one website, Roblox Support. You'll need to fill this form. So type in your username, type in your first name, email address, confirm your email address. Click on the drop down and select the device in which you are having this issue. For the help category, select How To, and for the sub-help category, select Change My Location. Here, briefly explain about the issue that you want to change your location as you have moved to another place but you are unable to do that. Mention the place name that you want to set in your Roblox account along with your Roblox username and all the details. Then click on Continue and submit this form. With that, Roblox support team will get back to you. And that's it. This way you are able to change your Roblox location. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.